Hi, my name is Vishal, and all my growing up days, I was told that I did not look northeastern enough. Hey, ang nanigre di masa ning bauya. Hi, nin muthai se dibat se nin bugung bo laubi, nin bugung lauban se na ekdom northeast lang jet se nin khela nai ba ha. Hadi sale se nubat se nin khela. I was devastated. I did not want to be this person who didn't look like his own people. And then one fine day, I moved to Mumbai. Hey, Ching Chong. Ching Chong. Excuse me? तू जहाँ से आया है ना, उसी जगह का problem है.
Wait, did he just address me as a northeastern? Oh my god, first time in my life!
Aww, thank you. And things just got crazier after that. I love Northeast. You have to take me to your house, okay? ये Northeast जाने के लिए वीज़ा कहाँ से मिलता है? I was just kidding, man. मुझे पता है Northeast जाने के लिए वीज़ा की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. सिर्फ पासपोर्ट से काम चल जाता है कि नहीं? Come on, यार. I've been to Nepal, okay? सब पता है मुझे. Why do you eat so much Maggi? It must be the food that is closest to your staple diet, right? So what caste are you? आपको नेपाली आती है? Wait, you don't have a caste only. No caste system. It's okay. We are very progressive. We don't care about all these things. But let's just do one thing. We'll just give you a caste, okay? So that you can at least answer these kind of general questions. Because it's a very normal thing to be asked. What do you mean you still don't have an Aadhaar card? Are you even Indian? Like seriously? Or do you don't want to recognize yourself as Indians? मुझे लगा वहाँ सबको नेपाली आती है. What do you wear in your daily life? No, I mean really regularly what do you wear? Jeans and t-shirts is what you wear here, right? I mean in your hometown. Is it some sort of skirt or animal skin? I think it's a wraparounds, right? Everybody in the Northeast wears wraparounds. It's a thing. It's a thing, you know, that thing. Okay, don't worry. We empathize with all your demands. But tell me seriously, like, why do you guys need a separate country? Can't we all live in peace? पर नेपाल के आसपास ही होता होगा ना आपका गांव? I have to tell you, you are my best friend, okay? You and me, best friends. But tell me one thing, where did you come from? Haflong? ये कहाँ है? I know you're from the Northeast, but you know, really, where did you really come from? Thailand में है क्या? Who needs a man when I have a friend like you? You and me, best friends. No, Assam, not Assam. Like I mean, really, truly, where did you come from? That's what I want to know. See, I knew it. All Chinese here, all Chinese. Chinky eyes are cute, yeah. Some people just get offended when we call them Chinese. Just tell me, when I do like this, do I look like one of your relatives? Right? I'm looking nice, right? But history is the proof, my God. History is the proof. How can you deny history? You can't deny history, right? My mother also tells me sometimes, कि मैं ऐसा करूँ ना, then I look exactly like Northeastern when I do this. What do you mean that's racist? You are a racist to think that I'm being a racist. Hey Vishal, you play football, right? No? How is it possible? All Northeastern men play football. So people in Assam are Assamese, people in Arunachal Pradesh are called Arunachali, people in Nagaland are called Nagas, people in Manipur are called Manipuris. What about people in Meghalaya? Meghis? Meghis? Meghalayi or something. But you know how to play the guitar? No? I'm totally judging you now, yaar. I'm just kidding. But you like rock music? K-pop? No? Tripura? What's that? No, you're kidding. You can't possibly like Bollywood songs. Oh, it's another state. Oh. How do Bollywood songs even get to the Northeast? Do they have to be like smuggled or something? I tell you, Indian media is just crass. See, देखो ये नया स्टेट बन गया, किसी ने रिपोर्ट किया है कि नहीं? किसी ने भी रिपोर्ट नहीं किया कि नया स्टेट बन गया. हाँ? Do we know about it? No. You have internet there too. Wow, yaar, the world is developing so fast. Is it something that has happened recently? Because I haven't heard about it yet. It's a genuine question. अच्छा, तो तुम लोग अभी ऐसे वीडियोस भी बनाओगे? हाँ, हम लोग रेसिस्ट हैं, हम लोग सब रेसिस्ट. जनरलाइज करने में तो तुम लोग बड़े माहिर हो. हाँ, सब रेसिस्ट है, हम लोग सब रेसिस्ट. अरे हमारे साथ भी ऐसा होता है. हम लोग ने किसी को कभी रेसिस्ट बोला नहीं ना? Okay, don't worry. You are just like us now. No wonder I feel more at home away from home. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you to all of you who subscribed. And one thing that I would like to tell all my Northeastern friends is that you will encounter both good and not so good people everywhere in the world. Some of them will have genuine questions about the Northeast. Educate them, answer their questions if they ask you with courtesy, and listen to you with patience. Otherwise, punch them on the face or something. I'll put a link to a basic boxing tutorial in the description below. What is the most insane notion and what were the most ridiculous questions you were asked about the Northeast? Let me know in the comments below. Let's have a talk about it. My name is Vishal. I hope you had an interesting weekend and have a great week ahead. Life is a journey.